Bird baths are probably the best way to attract birds to your yard, even more so than bird feeders. Clean water is often the most difficult resource that birds must locate in order to survive. They use the water not only for drinking, but also for bathing, which can cool their bodies during the heat of summer. Having water available is especially important in times of drought when birds may be stressed. I really enjoy watching, feeding, and learning about birds. This hobby offers an opportunity to appreciate and connect to the natural world.